Today we talk about how can you transfer on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to transfer on your FxPro app. So it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on transfer. It's going to show for you like this here, so just click on it here. So when you just click here on transfer, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you add here source account, target account, you add here sending amount here. Then you click here on transfer, then it's going to add with you here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.